how to use tanning bed at Planet Fitness in 2025. Okay, so I tried to use the tanning bed at Planet Fitness, and here's how it works. First, you'll need to be a Black Card member. Regular members don't include tanning access. Once you're in the gym, go to the front desk and check in like usual. If it's your first time, just ask the staff. They'll either show you how to use the machine or unlock a boot for you. Most locations have both lay down and stand up beds, depending on what you prefer. Inside the room, there's a control panel or timer. Set it based on your skin type. And keep it short if you're new. You don't need to bring your own goggles, but it's better if you do. Also, wipe down the machine before and after you use it out of courtesy. And that's it. No appointment needed, just walk in, scan your card, and tan responsibly. Don't forget, you're only allowed one session per 24 hours, so better you plan ahead.